The 2015 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, backup camera, keyless entry, navigation system, tow hitch, traction control, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, air conditioning, front, driver airbag, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, MP3 player, CD player. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.